Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how I made my own lithium-ion battery health analyzer. So let's get started. At first, I designed the circuit diagram of the project. The schematic was converted to PCB design. Then I sent the PCB to NextPCB for manufacturing. After waiting a few days, the PCB finally arrived. Then I quickly unboxed and checked the quality of the PCB. I can say that these boards look very professional. I start by placing the smaller components on the board. With a lot of patience, I was able to put such small components on the board and solder them by hand. While we wait for the epoxy to cure, let's talk about today's sponsor, NextPCB. NextPCB provides reliable PCB fabrication and assembly services. They offer competitive pricing, quality control, and outstanding customer support. Also, their DFM software is a useful tool for checking design errors. Upload your Gerber file and place your order at the lower price. Check out NextPCB website for the latest offer. Link is in the description. Now let's proceed further with the assembly process. During the test, battery capacity is displayed here. Load current is displayed here. Also, we can see battery voltage shown here. And testing duration is also shown. The test ended when battery voltage is below 2.8 volt. The capacity is very much close to original and the test took 3.5 hours. Average discharge voltage was 3.64 volts. I have tested few more batteries and the capacity was quite accurate in comparison with professional battery tester. At the end of each test, it saves the capacity in memory, which you can see next time you power it on. I intend to add more features like constant current load and setting the cutoff voltage using buttons, maybe in another video. See you till my next video.